So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Motors share. So many people are requesting to make a separate video on Tata Motors. So especially when the update has come that in few cities they are planning to stop the production. So ultimately even the stock has also not responded to that particular news to great extent. It has continued its positive trend. So we know that today market was again volatile. So little shifts were present from positive to negative side, but Tata Motors is present at the same exact level that we have discussed in our previous videos. So today we'll discuss all the updates on Tata Motors, and few brokerages have also updated their target on Tata Motors. So what is the immediate next level? So we'll try to find out that. So we also know that I've started a separate channel called Stocks Diary Education. So in that on regular basis we are discussing all the concepts related to stock market, especially related to trading of options, or it may be related to how to select stocks for short term. So all those things I am discussing. So if you're interested, so do subscribe to that particular channel as well, so that you'll gain something knowledge related to stock market. Okay, so coming to the update on Tata Motors, so we know that during the market hours an update has come that it will shut the vehicle manufacturing operations at a Pune plant from April 15th and ultimately till April 30. So from April 15th to April 30, so the plant which is located in Pune, so that will be shut, and it was officially declared by Tata Motors. So if we see what are the major things they are manufacturing there, especially the cars, you can see Harrier, Safari trucks as well as buses. So some of the major components are being manufactured at that particular locality. And also Tata Motors earlier also it is said that it is following all the safety rules as the government has told, but we know that in few cities like Maharashtra where the COVID cases are at its peak, so that's why due to that major concerns they have decided that they need to shut down the few places, basically the localities where COVID cases are increasing. So this was the particular update which was released on Tata Motors. Okay, so coming to the second update on Tata Motors, that is a brokerage called IIFL. So all of you might be knowing that. So that particular brokerage has given a target of almost 315 on Tata Motors. So we know whatever the correction happens in the market is basically a temporary fall. So as we discussed in earlier videos also, so whenever any correction is happening, so you need to take the opportunity and invest at the levels that we have discussed. So nothing to worry, even if you have averaged at 280 rupees level or 275, so nothing to worry. You can hold your positions, and people who are trying to buy fresh entry in Tata Motors, so what is the level? So that also we'll try to find out. Okay, so if we see today's traded activity of Tata Motors, so you can see almost 6 crore shares have been traded, and you can see deliveries wise we have seen almost 93 lakh shares have been taken into deliverables, and you can see percentage wise almost 13.84 percentage deliveries have been taken. Okay, so if we compare on a regular basis the deliveries of Tata Motors, so we know that on April 13th the stock has given very good movement, especially when it has approached near the technical support. From there it has started retracing, and you can see almost 5.7% positive movement was seen. So ultimately today also it has showed some positive movement of 0.4%. So as we discussed, market is little volatile, so if you're doing any intraday trading, so you need to be little cautious. You need to put your stop loss at a region where the volatility should not affect your trade. So that also we'll discuss how to trade, but for now you can see little deliveries have increased as compared to previous trading sessions, but slightly more improvement is required. So due to the global factors, so little we can say volatility to correction may be seen in Tata Motors. Okay, so first we'll start our discussion about Tata Motors, that is technical analysis. So first we'll discuss on 1 week chart. So in 1 week chart, as we discussed earlier, the stock was taking the support of the 288.77 on a weekly chart, and from that particular level we have seen considerable buying, and it has sustained that level very well. So we know that again the same thing is happening. Can you see here a little sideways movement? So whatever we call in technical terms, that is consolidation, is seen in this particular stock. So because market also is not completely looking bullish, so little volatility is present. So on that particular note only, so this particular stock is also moving little sideways. So as usual, support you need to remember is 288. So that is going to be very important, and you need to maintain that particular level as a very good support if you're doing any positional or swing trade. Okay, so apart from that, you can also see little moving averages are also coming closer to each other, and they're indicating some bullish momentum as well. But for that, market also needs to settle. So without market settling with positive news, so that may not be possible. So for now, focus on 288 290 rupees region, and that may be the ultimate support. But if you come little up, you need to take 300 as a very good support. So if it goes below 300, then definitely it might approach the 288 rupees level. So where if you want to average, you can average at that particular level. Okay, so that was in 1 week chart, but you can see 1 day chart, you can see it has formed a very good support. Firstly, when it has given a temporary fall 2 days back, so after that it has taken a very good support at that particular level, and again from that particular level only it has retraced. So you can see the stock has filled the gap again, but it is trying to form a doji type of candle. So that is very important. So there you can see we also have a 50-day exponential moving average, which is coming out to be near 297. So that is also very important. So 300 followed by 297 are going to be very important. So after this gap filling, you can see again it has retraced a little bit, and it is trying to go up. So I think if it takes support near 300 297, try to grab the opportunity for targets of 315 that even various brokerages have suggested. So for swing and positional, you may get some very good returns. Only thing is little patience is required, and for long term, as usual, hold it. So don't average in heavy quantities. So just wait for the right moment. So whenever it comes near the support, so grab it and hold it. So that's what we can do. So don't think about all the external factors. So they are all temporary. So once everything sets right back as last year happened, so same again it will continue. So but nothing to worry. So once everything goes well, all the stocks again will start retracing, especially auto sector stocks. And you can see money flow index is near 64. So that is also completely in mid-range only, not completely in overbought region. So that is also a little positive. So stay positive, and definitely when you're getting any chance to average it. So don't think full completely negative mindset that I need to exit my holdings. So don't think like that. So whenever you're getting chance, try to average. All the stocks which you have discussed are fundamentally very strong. Only patience is required, and average at the right levels. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, or else you can also text me in Instagram. So until then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.